Stanley Life Assurance is an office-based organisation with almost all our customer-facing operations teams working on-site using traditional desktop PCs. With the coronavirus pandemic, we had to find a solution to move the whole business exclusively to work from home. That's nearly 4,500 people, which was a massive challenge. Stanley Life Assurance is a long-established expert in workplace pensions, personal pensions, long-term savings and retirement solutions. It was founded in 1825 and based in Edinburgh. The business was acquired in 2018 by the Phoenix Group, which is Europe's largest life and pensions consolidator, with over 14 million policies and £400 billion worth of assets under management.
The business impact of COVID was that without a working from home approach, our business would have ground to a halt and we would have been unable to service our customers. Customer service teams help our IFAs, individual customers and our corporate clients. They are the engine room of our business and deal with everything from investment queries to policy administration. Therefore, it was clear that we would have to move the business from office-based to home-based very quickly. We had about 1,200 laptops in the business, but to cater for 4,500 staff, we reached out to our supplier, but with supply chains under pressure, we just couldn't buy any more. The big issue was what device to give staff and how we would manage that build, security and application delivery. Delivering a working from home solution threw up some surprising issues. Many people didn't have appropriate devices at home. It was clear that we had to provide a secure, standard endpoint. This drove us to look elsewhere and how we could repurpose the existing estate of thousands of Dell PCs which were sitting idle in our office. Igel OS has allowed us to convert and repurpose our existing PCs and laptops into secure endpoints connecting to Citrix Workspace.
The goal was to provide a working from home solution for 4,500 staff, which enabled them to have a repurposed PC, 2 monitors, keyboard, mouse, Ethernet cable and a headset so they could effectively support our customers. This quickly became known as an office in a box.
We have an underground car park at our office, which we turned into an office in the box drive-through. Staff came in one way in their cars, got their box and drove out again. Other devices have also been shipped all around Edinburgh, the central belt of Scotland, and we've even catered for people living in the Highlands. We've now moved on to supply the brand new Igel UD3 as part of our office in the box. The smaller size, built-in Wi-Fi and green energy efficient credentials have proven a popular and reliable option with our staff. Collaboration is key for us. In addition to providing access to applications, we've also been able to optimise the audio and video in our Skype for Business. This has been possible because Citrix HDX optimization is built in to the Igel OS.
Igel OS has allowed us to repurpose unused PC equipment rather than buying hundreds of thousands of pounds worth of new laptop or PC hardware. The OPEX cost to deliver the solution was low, with many man hours having been saved as it takes just 4 to 5 minutes to reflash each desktop. It meant we were able to ship equipment to staff at home really quickly.
The whole idea behind delivering an Igel OS powered PC was simplicity. The staff don't have to think about loading Citrix onto the device, they don't have to worry about what version of HDX optimization they've installed. They simply turn on and they're presented with the familiar login screen. And Office in a Box kit will stay at staff homes. This means that regardless of whether they're working at home or in the office, they'll have the same simple user interface and access to their corporate applications.
I'm really proud of the working from home solution we've put in place. Normal IT solutions would take many months. We would go through requirements, undertake operational and end user testing, revise things and test again. The bottom line is Office in a Box provided a production solution in days, not months. That's been due to the Igel OS and the ease of management of the whole environment, as well as the dedication of our department and the logistics teams.